Okay, long due update, guys. Have I didn't have the chance to upload anything or film. Well, I didn't have the chance to work in the car in the past month. I've been busy with the company, employees, etc. etc. So, uh, I'm gonna take some time today, and we're gonna do the suspension work. Mainly the suspension work, and I have the light, the frontal light, so see how that fits, and to make a summary what I need, what is left. So yeah, I have the wheel. I mean, I found the OEM wheel. The tire is there. I have the main spindle. That's mainly what was broken, but I mean I have to take everything out, which I did, and I have to put it back now. So I'm gonna show you what I remove actually, and then follow me on the repair of the suspension. You can see here I remove everything. I mean everything, the front spindle, the frontal chuck, everything. This is the new, well, not the new, but this is what the BMW has been using for the front shaft. I don't know if in the rear they use the same thing, but I heard that this thing cost more than $500. They used this new design instead of the traditional spindle. I don't know why. I suppose with time this will be cheaper because people will get a hold on how it's made, the design and everything. So I'm lucky that this one doesn't have anything. And yeah, you can take a look again. As I mentioned last time, it didn't really touch anything major. I don't know where this thing is going, this one here. Yeah, I bought this small auxiliary radiator. It sells for BMW sells it around 200 US, roughly 300 Canadian. This is coming from China. It cost me around $60. The only thing is that it took about 5 weeks to get here. But I mean, it fits. It's not the same brand. All the fittings are okay. It looks exactly the same. There's only one bracket here that is not perfectly aligned, but that's minor. So if you, I found it on eBay. So if you guys are looking for, I believe the Toyota one on the Supra is not the same. It's not the same. I did run up the numbers. I did see the part in person, so it's not the same. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today, and I'm gonna try to fit the light to see if what is missing or it's bent or whatever. Like this bracket here, I think it's part of the light. This thing here that is broken, not so sure. So yeah, so that will be it, guys. These are the spindles. This is the replacement one. This is the old one. You can see here it's broken. I'm gonna try to take out the main bearing, not because I want to use it here, but I want to keep it for future use. We never know. Everything else is good for garbage, so that will be one of my main concerns today. Okay. Okay, today I'm gonna finish the suspension work, add some coolant, and I have to take the car out of the garage. No, not completely out, but I need some space to work in the rear. Then also, yeah, to see if everything works here on the suspension side. Only the brake roller is missing. I'm gonna put it now, so we should be okay. And see, yeah, this is gonna be the first time that the car moves on his own power 100%. So let's see it. So, quick summarize for today. The car moves on his own power. We changed the battery cable. There are no leaks. Coolant temperature is okay. Suspension seems to work fine. Well, I haven't taken out the car, but overall I'm okay. I'm very happy. And what else? Yeah, I'm still having a radiator code, like if not the radiator, the fan for the radiator, as it seems like the car doesn't seem the fan. Maybe a short circuit, I don't know what it is. I'm gonna try post the code, maybe you guys can help me. So I have to order some brackets, some small brackets, and I already have 2 airbags, 3 to come. So yeah, it's getting there. So yeah, those are the codes that I was getting, that wasn't able to delete with Carly. And lucky for me, I had access to Ista Plus, which is BMW dealers diagnostic software. And Ista was able to get rid of all these codes: the electric fan, was there too, flex ray, power steering too. I don't know where this power steering was. Whatever. I don't remember. Well, and now you can see the only really codes that I'm still having are all related to airbags. So yeah, Ista really works. It's a little bit technical, but it works. So please like the video and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.